the stomach just bulged way out. Everyone would stare at me. My wife would be like, don't worry about them, just go about our business. I'm like, I'm trying. But look around right now. There'd be 20 people staring at me because it was so obnoxious. I looked like I was 9 months pregnant. It was literally a basketball coming out of my stomach. The skin was so paper thin, anything could have punctured it. He said, be careful of corner beads on your counters, be careful around pens, pencils, scissors, anything touches it, it's punctured. Because it was so stretched out. I wasn't living full. I was depressed. I was actually thinking about seeking help because I didn't want to deal with it no more. Doctor told me that it was too extreme, too big, and I'm gonna die. He recommended Dr. Giorgi.
Good morning, good to see you.
When I came in to see him, he said he studied all my images and that he thinks I'm a candidate.
I came in as a last resort. He was really desperate. Couldn't enjoy his activities, fishing, golfing, working. He didn't really have a life in the way that we mean it. Not everybody is a candidate for hernia all the time. It's a partnership with the patient. I'll do my part and the patient needs to do their part as well so that both of us can work together to conquer hernia. Hernia is a disease process. It's not just a hole. It's not just a technical feat or a patch. It's so much more than that.
He told me what to do. He said, I have rules you have to follow for your success and mine. And he was right.
Hernias happen for a reason, and emergent surgery is one of them. Weight is another big part of it. I need to make sure that the patient is ready for surgery. I can build a house, but I need the foundation first. And the foundation, it's weight management is extremely important. Nutrition management, right, we call it nowadays. Smoking cessation is very, very important. He stayed in the preoperative period for quite a long time. Talk about several months to get him optimized. He was so motivated that somebody actually gave him hope.
I really started just saying, okay, this time it's for real. So I complied. With smoking, I quit, lost weight, got the surgery.
He went through a complex robotic abdominal wall reconstruction.
I was nervous. I mean, how are you putting all of this back in there? I mean, I'm like,
We work with the other surgeons very closely and we look at the CAT scan. The CAT scan is like a roadmap for us so that we can plan the repair. And there are multiple repairs that you can do. It's not just about mesh or patches. This is about really moving the abdominal wall muscles so they come back together. That's when our multidisciplinary center helps. I mean, multiple surgeons that can work at this can actually think things through. We can say, okay, we got the perfect surgery for the perfect patient after it's done the work to get ready. So your muscles were all the way here, right? And now they're back together like that. All right, that's great.
this side of it is wonderful. Definitely a different world. It's almost like phantom limb. You know, they say when people still try to grab at their arm, I still find myself holding it. There's nothing there to hold. It's gone. I'm able to go back to work late duty, which is great.
For someone to being told, you know, you may just need to stay on disability, to going back to your own business, fishing, going back to play golf, that's amazing. It's what surgery is supposed to be about. Fix a problem so you can go back to normal. It's a life saved, but not just from a technical standpoint, from a hernia standpoint. He's back as a functional member of society, and he's happy.
I feel great. I feel great. A new look at life. I want to exercise more. I'm still on my diet. I walk around with my shirt tucked in, and I don't care because I know no one's staring at me no more.
It gives me joy to know that I work in a center with surgeons that think like me, that train like me, and can provide this to the selected patients that actually are willing to do the work.
He's giving me my life back. I mean, plain and simple. Giving me my life back. He put me back together.